There is a quote by a renowned American author, Clarence Buttington Kelland, that says, "My father didn't tell me how to live. He lived, and he let me watch him do it." Every time I hear that quote, I think of my father. My name is Tanika, and I have the privilege of calling him Papa. Today, I stand here not just as a proud daughter, but as someone who has spent a lifetime watching him lead by example. My father has been a part of this industry for decades. He began his journey at a time when everything was done manually, and over the years, he has witnessed the industry evolve tremendously. Through every change, one thing has remained constant: his dedication, resilience, and passion for his work. And throughout this journey, BAI has held a special place in his heart. Anyone who knows my father knows that hard work is simply a part of who he is. But what truly sets him apart is the way he treats people. He has a rare ability to make people feel valued and respected, building relationships and friendships that last a lifetime. If I had to describe him in few words, I would say he's a friend's friend, someone who lives life king size, and the kind of person people know they can count on. Behind every successful journey are the people who believe in us, support us, and walk beside us. For Papa, no one did more wholeheartedly than our mother. She believed in him long before the world saw his achievements, stood beside him through every challenge, and took immense pride in everything he did. If she were here today, she would undoubtedly have been the proudest person in the room. We miss you, Ma. Papa, there are very few people in life who shape who we are and the values we carry with us forever. For your children, Swati, Nitesh, Manika, myself, Manvi, Dev Bhaiya, Vishesh, and Abhinav, you have been that person. And now the next generation, Raghunil, Abhiraj, Meher, and Idriti, you continue to be that same example. You have taught us that success is not measured by titles or positions, but by the respect you earn, the relationships you build, and the lives you touch along the way. And while family forms the foundation of every journey, no achievement like this is accomplished alone. Today would be incomplete without acknowledging some of the people who have been an important part of Papa's journey. Lalchand Sharma uncle, B. Sanaya uncle, S.N. Reddy uncle, Praveen Tyagi uncle, both Sanjay Tyagi uncles, and the entire BAI family. Thank you for your friendship, trust, encouragement, and support over the years. We are truly grateful. And if there is one thing everyone in this room will agree on, is that long before becoming the president of the BAI, you had already earned something more far valuable. That is the affection, trust, and respect of the people around you. Congratulations on becoming the president of the BAI. This honor is a reflection of lifetime of dedication, integrity, and friendship and service. We are incredibly proud of you, Papa. Wish you good health, happiness, and great success in the year ahead. Thank you. And here's to the wonderful year ahead for BAI and Papa.